Hey, welcome back to the BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. We're on the road. We're actually out at the farm tonight. We had to move some tires. It's kind of a thrown together video because, well, trying to film some stuff as we're screwing around, moving some pulling tires for what we're doing tomorrow. But you finally get to see the 1850 running. Got a couple of videos that quick. 770 unloading, all that stuff. We'll be doing some more stuff out here this summer. We don't actually farm anything with this. It's all, we just own all the barns. And we're building the cabin out here. So my grandpa used to farm about 200 acres, 180, 200, something like that when we first got it. But yeah, so there's something. So I'll talk about this more later, but that's our 1850 with the Cummins in it. You can see some shots. This is all my pulling tires. These two, I got these 15.5s. Those are not mine, but they sure are pretty. Maybe I'll pull those on an asphalt pull, because those are 18.4s, but probably not. But yeah, we're gonna get the 770 out and unload these, so probably won't show you much of that, because like a smart man, I forgot my tripod. Yeah. So that's the big horse at the farm, the 1850. Cummins out of a case, out of a Magnum tractor, early 90s Magnum. So we got it. We painted it up, we put tank fenders on it. We just have an ugly cab that was hideous. So yeah. So I got these from Don. Oh, here comes 770. So it's over there. It's over here on the. I'll bring it back to work. I'll bring you back. Always the best time on this kind of stuff. Always the best. All right, all tires are back there. So I don't think we're making a half video out of this. We'll fix the lights on that one someday. Yeah, we will. All right. Well, so a little more of the farm. Ooh. It's dark out now, so it's hard to see anything. Yeah, we got to go out tomorrow and hopefully pick up a new bed for my dad's truck, which his truck's still in the shop. So hopefully that gets done in the morning, and then we'll we'll get that all taken care of. But yeah, so we'll catch him when he comes around the barn here. So yeah, this barn here was actually, we're pretty sure it was actually built back in the 1850s, and we put tin on it to save it because it was gonna fall apart if not. But neat old barn on the inside. We're trying to keep it alive. We'll see a 770 kind of pop its little head out, and then I'll finish things up. But yeah, so there'll be a bunch of little clips in here of running the tractors around and all that stuff, but we'll throw that in there and get it up on a Friday night. Hopefully tomorrow I might take you on that road trip If not, we'll get some tractor work done later. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. You know all the things. All the stuff. Do the stuff. See ya.